customizing the header in Shopify Dawn theme is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up Shopify on the web browser. Once you get into your Shopify, click on your store button from the top right corner and see your account from here. Then click on Theme from the online store and tap to edit the theme. Click on the header, then change the desktop menu type as drop-down. You can also change the sticky header and desktop logo position. After that, click to change the color scheme to whatever you like. You can also add blocks and sections in the header from the right side dashboard. Also, you can make the header visible or not visible. You can see the extra button on the header if you click on the invisible icon. Then tap on Save from the top right corner.